what's going on? So it finally snowed where I'm at. It's the end of February and it finally snowed. So and the snow that we got it's not really that impressive, but it's something. So we're going out, we're gonna head to Grimes Point because again, we're in a small town, there's really nothing here. So we're going out to Grimes Point and we're gonna get some snow photos, hopefully. So yeah, we'll see when we get there.
I'm driving, I can't be distracted.
I'm not distracting you, I'm just holding something up. Is this a distraction?
No.
Am I distracting you?
Nope.
Is this a distraction?
That's a distraction, yeah.
Are you sure? Can you see?
No, I can't.
You can't see?
Nope.
You're going straight? And I said I'd be a good backseat driver. That's just not responsible at all.
Don't let Lita see that.
I'll be in trouble. Behind the scenes membership stuff.
Jeff tried to kill us.
No, I didn't. Did not. You have no proof.
I have video.
No.
Watch the premium content.
I have video. I have video. You have video. Members, you can see this.
East Gate, Middle Gate, West Gate.
You got a couple rubber bands stuck in your beard there.
Yes.
2 to be exact.
Yes. You gotta feel my fingertip.
Why?
Maybe for later.
What was that for?
Decoration.
All right, so we're here. And it's cold. It's super cold. We had to take refuge inside of the burnt cave out at Grimes because the wind chill, it's crazy. And this smart guy over here wearing shorts because, you know, why not? Anyway, so we're here. He's got his film camera. I brought the R6 MKIII. I brought my EF 24-105 and my 100mm Yongnuo. All right, so I had to switch over to my phone now because I made 2 grave mistakes. One, so I've been using this Bezen Photo little hard shell case, which is awesome. However, I haven't transferred my my cards over into them or a spare GoPro battery like I usually do. I usually have at least 1 spare GoPro battery and 1 SD card that I put in whatever bag I'm using. Well, guess what I did not do? So we get here, we're hiking, it's cold, I go to take a picture. No card in camera. That was after I was in the middle of recording the intro for this part of the video. And, well, as you saw, I just kind of cut off because the battery in my GoPro died. And I have that hooked up to my Telesin, what was it called? The Mini something, I forget what it's called. But I use it all the time. And I usually make sure that these things are charged. Unfortunately, it wasn't charged. So I not only don't have a GoPro to get any footage with, but my camera has a fully charged battery in it and a spare battery. No SD card. So I'm here with my cell phone. I'm not a cell phone photographer, never claimed to, not good at it. Things people catch with cell phones are so much better than I can catch with a cell phone. Maybe that's because I don't practice, but whatever. But anyway, I'm pretty sure when I get home, my wife and my daughter are gonna laugh at me because I made the mistake as a photographer that you don't ever want to make. Don't forget your batteries. Don't forget your SD card. Especially if you're coming out somewhere like this, where it's a bit of a drive. Yeah, so it's a bust. However, I'm with my friend Richard, and he is using his Vivitar film camera, and he's taking some shots. So if anything, I can kind of coach him on what to do, kind of see what he's doing, what he's capturing. And yeah, so there you go. Fun video.